And then we're just gonna give our rack a little shake to get the excess off. So guys, we're just gonna take our bonbons, and after they're set, we're just gonna transfer them right to our plate. Perfect. Next, we're gonna take our butter and go. So we're gonna take our butter and just grease our griddle like so. And then we're gonna take our ladyfingers and place them right onto our hot griddle. Be careful. After, we're gonna take our hot coffee we've already made and just pour right on top. Then we close our griddle and wait for the magic to happen. Perfect, so our waffle is beautiful and ready to be taken out. We're gonna place it on our plate and then take our bonbons and some mascarpone cream cheese filling and just pipe it right on our waffle, like so. Oh, perfect. Next, we're going to sprinkle some chopped pecans, and then we're going to start to roll it up like a burrito. Perfect. Perfect. So now we're going to take our rum. So we have some Barbados aged rum, my favorite. We're going to pour that right into a hot pot, and then in goes the heavy cream right on top. Perfect. After, we're going to take some cocoa powder, just shake it out of our whisk and start to whisk all our ingredients together. And once that comes to a boil, we're going to take our bloom gelatin out of our water and squeeze it out, and then we're going to add that to our pot. We're going to whisk that in, and once that starts to combine, we're going to take some dark chocolate and just pour that right in. Beautiful. Then we're going to take our whisk and continue to stir everything together. Once our glaze has come together, it smells so good, we're going to take it and pour it right into our plate, and then we're going to just coat our entire plate so it's easier for our waffles to roll. Perfect. So now we're going to take our waffle and we're going to roll it halfway right into our glaze. Oh man, look at that. And we're just going to lay it on our grate. Place our waffle there, and we're going to just go to our final plate and remove our skewer. We're going to take our last skewer out. Then we're going to take our chocolate, and we're just going to pour it into our first solo cup. And we're just going to turn our cup to cover our sides. And then we're going to use our excess to pour into our second cup. Perfect. And we're just going to turn so it's fully covered, and we're going to take the excess in this cup and pour into our last cup. And we're going to repeat the same process, making sure you're taking your time. So after our chocolate is set, we're just going to take them out of our cups, and we have a hot pan. We're just going to use the bottom of it to smooth, and then we're going to take our second cup, do the same thing, then we're going to take the last cup. Perfect. So now we have all three glasses. We're going to take our piping bag with melted chocolate, and we're just going to pipe 3 C's for our handles. So now that our chocolate is set, we're going to take our handle and just go back to our pot and stick it right on our glass, like so. We're going to take our next one. We're just going to make it even so it'll adhere to our glass. Perfect. And our last one. Handle right onto our glass, and then take our chocolates. We're going to take our last chocolate bonbon, place it into our glass, and then we have some fresh brewed coffee. We're going to pour it right into our pitcher, and then we're just going to stir it up to melt our chocolate. After, we have some milk, and we're just going to pour it right over our ice to make a chocolate latte. And then we're just going to pour our chocolate right in. So we're just going to pour our latte right into our drinks. Oh my gosh, I just want to start drinking these right now. Perfect. And once that's done, we're going to take some whipped cream that's fresh and creamy and just top all of our cups with them. And then we're going to take some cocoa powder and just dust the tops. After, we're going to take each cup and place it on our plates. Amazing. And we're going to take our last one, place it right there. Beautiful. Next, we're going to take some powdered sugar and just continue to dust the tops like so.